So you're getting ready to move beyond your first 4 weeks with me, right? Describe your first 4 weeks in the Trade Masters. I want to hear from you.
First, I'm not gonna lie to you. When you speak in layman's terms, is better understanding of the charts and of the market. Before when I first got interested in doing it, I was going on YouTube and I was just trying to take little bits and pieces of this person and that person, that person and that person, and which is it's too confusing. I need like one person to just tell me how to go about doing things, and instead of being all technical and everything, with the lingo, you break it down into normal talk, which is perfect. I mean, for somebody who's trying to understand and who wants to go into learning how to trade, I think it's the best way of trading instead of being all technical with big words and big all type of lingo and all type of vocabulary that we don't understand. You know what I mean? So by you
So
saying this, by you saying in layman's terms and regular and putting how can I say when you put scenarios into it, it makes total sense.
yeah,
Total
yeah.
sense in the market.
How
And I
long have
think
you how long have you been trying to learn how to trade?
I only been like a
Oh,
month,
so you were
a
just
month
doing
or
it a month before
a
you found
month,
me?
a month or a month and a half. And
Okay.
I was looking at all the so-called gurus that made
Hmm.
$10 into 100,000, and they doing strategies and this, that, third. So I was looking at it like, yo, how do they? I'm like, yeah, but they'll tell you a fragment of what they do. They won't tell you everything. And I'm the type of person, okay, well, he showed me how to do this so-called supply demand. Well, let me see if this person who's teaching supply and demand. Let me see if you're gonna give me a little bit more information. You know what I mean,
Well, don't tell our secrets in finding.
oh no. But the thing is, but the thing is with you, I told myself, you know what? I can't do it. I can't do this YouTube University. It's not gonna work for me. I need
Yeah.
somebody. I need somebody that I could go to if I'm in a situation if I don't understand nothing. I say I need a mentor. So then I started looking around, and on YouTube, I heard that Trey Locker had a new they're doing like a new they're taking over MT4 and they're brand new. So okay, so I told myself, okay, I'm brand new. Trey Locker is brand new. Let me go in there, and I could probably network with people who's learning or anything. And then your video popped up.
Hmm.
They showed it. I think it was like 8. It was an 8 a.m. start. So I logged on to see what a person talking about, I saw your video on there. I was like, you know what? And I was just vibing with you the way he was talking. I was like, you know what? I need to go mess with her. That's why I made the call. And I was like, yo, I'm interested in trade. I need some help here. I'm looking for a mentor. So
So
that's where
I'm
I'm at,
assuming
man.
there are no regrets.
No, I got no regrets here so far. So
Okay. But
and plus
good. All right.
the best thing about Trade Master is like it's live. It's not like
Hmm.
because I heard some on YouTube. I heard some things that people you get a course, but it's all taped.
Hmm.
And if you got a question, it's not like you could just answer the question. The Trade Master
Hmm.
is live, direct to the person that you're dealing with. If you got a question, they can answer it and break it down to you how you want. So I think that's the best way to do it instead of doing the so-called I get you to say pre-recorded
Well,
people who sell courses and stuff like that.
I do know that there are some people that like to learn in secret. They they get embarrassed easily. I'll just say what it is. They get embarrassed easily. They don't like answering questions that they don't know the answer to in front of other people. And so I'm putting together a video academy where somebody can take it from a day one person and step by step look at real live, recordings.
But it
And
makes yeah, but
go ahead.
I believe that's great. That's great because it's a lot. It's a live recording, and you're getting people are asking questions that they were asked. Know what I
Yeah.
mean, I think that's perfect sense. So I think you're doing a great thing on that part right there.
Well, I'm gonna
Yeah,
tell you
what you
this. I'm gonna have to edit it down. My daughter told me that an hour and a half class that you're just listening to is too long for people to digest. So I'm gonna I don't know how long the videos are gonna be. It's gonna be under 20 minutes. It's not gonna be 5 minutes. It's not gonna be over 20 minutes. It's gonna be teaching the concepts, and each week will build like we build. It's
hmm
building the trading plan out. So we'll see how that goes. We'll put it out there to the public and see how they respond. So yeah. So question, what I mean, you've only been here for 4 weeks, but
hmm
in the 4 weeks, what do we not have in place that you feel like we should have in place for weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Um, I think there was time you were talking about candlestick patterns, but we didn't really get into it. But you all
That's level two.
but you put it in there, you slid it in there to learn, I guess, one little basic thing, which
Yeah.
is the engulfings,
Hmm.
which to me I think that's important because almost every person that I even got into, or if I'm reading something, oh, I saw an engulfing candle. I didn't know what the hell that was. I was like, what's an engulfing candle? But then
So,
until you show us, now I was like,
uh-huh.
okay, now I know. Now I know I'm looking for an engulfing candle now. Know what I mean?
So,
So,
and candlestick patterns are actually taught in level two.
oh, okay, cool.
But I like to, like you said, slide it in
Yeah.
and give you a preview for it because I I know that learning a whole bunch of new information, this can be overwhelming for people.
Yeah.
And so I like to talk about it a little bit first. So then when I do talk about it in its entirety or go more in depth about it, you can pull from prior knowledge and prior conversations, and it doesn't feel so new and it doesn't feel so
Yeah,
overwhelming.
yeah, that
So
makes sense.
that's by design that I talked about it in level one, but I will teach about it in level two.
Gotcha.
And I also finished the ebook. I finished my candlestick book.
Oh,
It
that's good.
is it is
That-
called The Easiest Candlestick Book Ever.
I was
That's the
looking at
name of it.
when you go in your computer or whatever and you
Uh-huh.
brought up the pending orders
Uh-huh.
and all that, I say, yo, this makes total sense what you say right now. With pending orders and limit orders. I'm like, I listen to people on YouTube and videos and all that. And they're like, yeah, I put a buy stop order in, I put a limit order in. I'm like, what the hell is the difference of a buy stop limit order? You just put an order in. That's it. Like, why you gotta put buy stop? But when I saw your charts and everything, I said, oh, okay. So now I know what's a buy stop is. Now I know what a limit
Limit
order
order.
is. Know what I mean, because
Yeah.
I think for me, the type of person, my personality, I might be a limit order type of guy. Yeah, like I'll place my joints in there, and that's it. I'm good. If it hits, it hits. If it don't, it don't. I think I'm the type of person that's like
Okay.
that. You know what I mean? So
I
that's
know
my personality.
somebody that the majority of their trade is limit orders. That's their thing. They will set a limit order, or
Yeah,
they will set a buy stop or limit order or sell. They'll set pending orders, and that's just how they trade. And
yeah.
it works for them. It
For
it,
my
it
person,
works
I
for them.
feel like for my type of personality, I think a limit order is good because even though it's going up, I'm looking for it to go down. I'll just put that in, let it go, and
There
see
you
what
go.
happens.
There you
But
go.
I did messed
So,
up. I messed up on a
huh?
I messed up on a I thought I put my stop loss,
I
but I
saw that.
didn't. You know, I think went, oh yeah, I'm like I thought to myself, well hold on, how come I'm losing so much? I'm like, oh, and I looked, I like, oh, I ain't put a stop loss on it, and but
But you were in your
it's
demo
all about
account.
learning, huh?
But you were in your demo account.
Oh yeah, I'm on
So
a demo account. Yeah,
yeah,
I'm strictly demo account.
yeah.
I'm not even ready to throw the money in there yet.
I was so happy when I looked in our Discord, and I don't know if you saw the comment today. Somebody posted a posted profit, and they put a standard on it, and they got like $500. And
Okay.
I knew they were in their demo account. I said, take your demo account down to where you really feel like you're going to start your account. She
Oh
said,
yeah, yeah.
wait a minute. But she came back and said, I'm doing a prop fund challenge. I was like, yes, yes,
Oh,
yes,
okay. Okay. That's
yes.
cool.
I was so happy for her. I was
Yeah.
so happy for her.
That's
I'm
good though.
like,
Yeah, that's good
get
though.
that money,
I
girl. Get that money.
Cause I saw the mention too. I said, I said, oh, so she's already comfortable with
Yeah,
doing that thing. So that I said
yeah.
I wanted to I didn't get a chance to type in, but I was gonna say kudos to
So
her.
if you could offer anybody some advice that was on the fence in terms of whether they should learn how to trade or come to the trade masters, or what would you tell them?
If they was on the fence.
Yeah, because I'm sure this video, my videos weave in and out of people's lives, and
Yeah.
there are a lot of people that don't trust them and don't trust people, and they don't know if they're going to
Yeah,
get what they
yeah, I
pay
understand.
for.
I understand. Well, you got. I feel like you gotta see what that person's personality is and how they teach. Because the only thing that made me comfortable with you is that when I saw you talk about, oh, you messed up here, and then you found out the clouds is cleared out the way. I was like, yes, I say. So it's just if the person that you are learning from, are you seeing like a preview of them, and you relate to them, and it makes sense to you, I think that's the way you should go. Pick.
Oh no, we froze. We froze. We froze. We froze, sir. So he was basically saying, join the trade masters. If you feel like you resonate with me, join the trade masters. I
Oh
think
yeah,
that's
yeah,
what he
yeah,
was
yeah,
getting.
yeah. It's the
Okay,
same
there
thing.
he
Yeah,
is.
yeah. But I'm just saying, like everybody's not gonna bow to other people. But I think
Yeah.
the best. I think if you want to learn, I think the best situation to put yourself in a situation is trade masters, because
Oh,
you're speaking in regular talk instead of you're giving regular scenarios. You're talking about bread. I went to go buy some bread, and it was high. Like people understand things like that
yeah.
instead of talking about okay, um the market was this. No, you say it normal way, normal talk, and I think people will understand it. Know what I mean? So
All
I think the
right.
trade match is the best. I'm glad I ran and crashed into you,
Yeah.
and
Are
I'm
you
very
ready for level two?
and so far I'm very very happy that
Good.
I invested myself into your course. So yes, I'm
I
very
like to do check-ins with people along the way, just in case it's
yeah
something that I didn't do and I need the feedback to improve. But I have had very few unsatisfied customers,
yeah
very,
yeah
very few.
yeah
And the ones that have been unsatisfied were not doing the work. They weren't showing up and they wanted, I'm like, no, you got to do the work. You got to turn in your homework. You got to show up. You got to share your charts. And I think this cohort that you're in is a very, I mean, you guys are students of the game. And I'm seeing it right before my eyes. I'm
yeah
like,
yeah
post
yeah.
those profits.
I look at myself as trying to learn by myself to what I know now, and
Hmm.
I'm like yo, like like I can see a chart right now and be like, oh, this is a downtrend. Oh, this is the uptrend. Oh, this is not going. It's consolidated. It's nowhere. And if I'm not sure, I know how
Hmm.
to back myself up. If I'm not sure, I could
Hmm.
go. Okay, she said go to EMA, go to the 200 EMA and see if it's
Telling all my secrets, man.
Oh, no, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forgot you recorded.
But yeah, if you can, but that's something that I put on a previous recording. But if you're having trouble seeing the trend, you can use 200 EMA. So I
Yeah,
just want to share something with them because I'm going to post this on YouTube a little bit later. Okay. Um, this is this is 3 weeks in. This is 3 weeks in. Let me start. from here.
Yeah, I was looking at them.
Yeah, this is Olivia, 3 weeks in.
Yeah. So I seen that. I seen everyone else. I said, okay. I said, everybody
3
doing
weeks
it.
in.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 weeks in. Another profit.
Mhm.
And she is killing it. 3 weeks
Mhm.
in. She probably took that gold trade I told you all to take.
Yeah. You was telling us.
That gold is playing out.
It's probably gonna go
This
down.
is, she didn't do well, but look, she recovered. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Right there. And we celebrate each other. I'm so proud. I'm so
Mhm.
proud. This young lady, I'm so happy for her. This is a grandmother.
Okay.
And I mean, my heart, I'm a grandma, so
Yeah.
I'm just like she said she's been trying and trying and trying, and she just couldn't pull it together. And look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her. Boom, boom. Look at that.
Mhm.
Look at I'm so happy. Now she's got to take that demo account down like I told her to. She needs to do that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I feel like
this is
with the demo account, you always want to make it as realistic as you can.
yeah,
Cause
this is this is beautiful. I mean, and this is just time after time after time. And I don't think anybody gets results like this in 3 weeks worth of
3 weeks.
time.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
just doesn't normally happen. And these are, other than the gold trade, these are trades that people found on their own. They analyzed the market themselves. They
Mhm.
got in and took their profit. So I'm just super, super proud. So
Yeah.
thank you for sharing your thoughts about the
Oh,
Trade
no problem.
Masters.
No problem.
And we're gonna do a pop-up on Sunday, I believe. Think
Okay.
saying Sunday works better for them. So
Okay. Cool.
I will see you Sunday, sir.
I'll see you Sunday. Thank you. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.